Lesson 2. Useful sentence about hotel. Let's see the first one. Are there any cheaper room? Are there any cheaper room? 有任何更便宜的房间吗？ Are there 有 any 任何 cheaper 更便宜的 room 房间 question 吗？ Are there any cheaper room? 有任何更便宜的房间吗？有任何更便宜的房间吗？ Are there any cheaper room? 有任何更便宜的房间吗？ Repeat after me. 有任何更便宜的房间吗？ Are there any cheaper room? 有任何更便宜的房间吗？ Okay, let's see next sentence. Please give me the key of room 201. Please give me the key of room 201. Please means 请 give 给 me 我 The keys means 钥匙 of the room 房间 201 201 Here 201 in Chinese 201请给我201房间的钥匙 You can see in Chinese the character put in the different way. Repeat after me. 请给我201房间的钥匙 One more time. 请给我201房间的钥匙 Please give me the key of room 201. Please give me the key of room 201. 请给我201房间的钥匙。请给我201房间的钥匙。Next, I will take the room. I will take the room.我 will 要 take the room means 住房 take means I want to live in the room. Take the room 住房 The room means 房 I will take the room 我要住房我要住房 means I want to live here. Please give me a room. 我要住房我要住房 Next, when should I check out? When should I check out? When means 几点 should 应该 I 我 check out is a phrase 退房 When should I check out? 我几点应该退房 When should I check out? 我几点应该退房 Repeat after me. 我几点应该退房？我几点应该退房？ When should I check out? Okay, today lesson. See you next time. Bye.